Reading, Mama.
I'm so bored. I don't want to do my homework. I want to play. Who's there?
I'm a witch. You look bored. Do you want to play with me?
Yes, I do.
Okay, let's go. Look at them. What are they doing?
They are reading. They're reading books.
Are they reading?
Yes, they are.
Really? Let's see. Abracadabra, abracadabra, ping. Look now. What are they doing now?
They are not reading books. They are kicking books. They are throwing books.
It's funny. Ow! Oops, what am I doing? Let's go. What is he doing?
He is running. He is running with his dog.
Is he running now?
Yes, he is.
Okay, let's have some fun. Abracadabra, abracadabra, ping!
He is not running. He is dancing. He is dancing with the dog.
Is he dancing with a dog? It's so funny, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's so funny.
Oh, what happened? Why am I dancing?
Let me see. Look over there. What is she doing?
She is riding a bike.
Okay, I have an idea. Look now. What is she doing now?
She is not riding a bike. She's sleeping on the bike.
Is she sleeping?
Yes, she is. I think she should be careful. She's falling.
Oh, I can't believe I fell asleep. What a crazy things to do.
Oh, look at him. It's Tommy. He's a naughty boy.
Oh, really? It will be more fun. What's Tommy doing?
He's eating an ice cream.
Is he eating an ice cream?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Abracadabra, abracadabra, ping!
He's not eating the ice cream. He's squashing it on the old man's head.
Oh, what are you doing? Stop, you naughty boy!
Ah! Sorry! I don't know why I did it!
Look over there. She's my mum.
What is she doing?
She is cleaning. She is vacuuming the floor.
Shall we have fun?
Yeah.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, ping! What's she doing now?
She's singing. She's singing with the vacuum cleaner. So funny.
Abracadabra, abracadabra, ping! What's she doing now?
She's not singing. She's having trouble with the vacuum cleaner.
It's so funny. I'm having a good time.
Wake up! It's dinner time.
I had a fun dream.
Reading Mama.